I think as my colleagues know, I served on the Board of Regents for 5 years. And I've dealt with these issues between campuses. I have not gotten up on related issues over the years because I frankly have mixed emotions. But let me explain my mixed emotions. On the one hand, a lot of these issues, to be very frank about it, are turf battles between very proud, very able, and very ambitious college presidents. Everybody wants to have the greatest school of their own. They fight for it, and God bless them for doing it. We want our college presidents to do that. But the reality is that these fights have very little to do with the overall quality and access to higher education in our state. We got real issues in higher education. These turf battles aren't the real issues in higher education on either side of my judgment. On the other hand, as we know, again, frankly, the real issues here relate to the historically black institutions and the historically white institutions. I represent College Park. One of the historically white institutions is in my district. The real issue here that I think should take our attention and our respect is not the turf battles. The real issue is there is federal law on this subject. And there's federal law on this subject because our state and other states had segregated institutions for decades. Those segregated institutions were ended by law, by federal law and by state law. We have a responsibility to obey those laws. And all this bill says is in those narrow range of cases where these issues come up dealing with history, and history counts, that everyone will have their day in court to address those legal issues. This bill does no danger to the quality of higher education in the state. It deals with historic and important issues of principle. I urge a green vote.